Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
जो सवाल था मैंने उठाया कि इन्होंने जो किया, उन्होंने जो बयान दिया वो अमेरिका को, यूएस कांग्रेस को कहा था कि हिंदुस्तान की कमर तोड़ना चाहिए, तभी व्यापार में हमें, और ख़ास तौर पर वो ड्रग का, वो फाइजर कंपनी का रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट में काम करते थे तो उनकी वकालत कर रहा था। अब सरकार ये सब जानते हुए उसको बनाया तो फिर मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ। अब जेटली क्या बोलें नहीं बोलें इससे मुझे क्या लेना देना नहीं है। मुझे पार्टी के अध्यक्ष से मैं बात कर सकता हूँ, प्रधानमंत्री से बात कर सकता हूँ।
कब कर रहे हैं फिर पार्टी अध्यक्ष प्रधानमंत्री से बात?
जब जरूरत पड़ेगी। अभी तो कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ी ना, हमारी बात कह दी मैंने और मुझे बताया गया कि ये सारे चीज पहले से पता था, तो फिर मैंने कहा फिर आपने ये सब सोच करके किया तो फिर, और उसको माफ कर दिया तो फिर मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं।
Yes, this tweet is targeted against Dr. Subramanian Swamy, who is behaving in a very, very strange manner. You have him as a spokesman of whom we don't know. It's not been established whether he's speaking for the Prime Minister or he's speaking for the party or he's speaking for the government. One really doesn't know. But the net result is he has tasted blood in the removal of the RBI governor. He's targeted Arvind Subramaniam and now Mr. Shaktikant Das. The point is he makes allegations against people and does not establish any evidence. Allegations are made. So if there is an allegation that needs to be investigated, yes, they should go to the bottom of it and find out if these are issues. And if it is not, I think the Prime Minister must reprimand Dr. Swamy for indulging in this kind of activity against civil servants. But the real issue is this is entirely a target practice by Dr. Subramanian Swamy aimed at Arun Jaitley. So this is part of that game. So he's targeting every important official who backs him, and finally his target will be Arun Jaitley.
There are multiple ways of how one may want to keep or present one's views. As Finance Minister Arun Jaitley ji said on Times Now in his interview, he clearly said that, one may be outspoken or one may be conservative in their approach. That is something that an individual decides the merits of. With regard to the party's position, that is unequivocal. With regard to the government's position, that is unequivocal. With regard to the constitutional right that somebody may have the freedom of expression and speech under Article 19, that also is reality. So I think we should look at it in totality.